Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Minecraft font on your Android phone. To get Minecraft font you have to do your Android phone a root, but today we are not going to do that. So we are going to see how we can get, as we don't have the root version of the Android, so we cannot get the 100% same, but we will try to get as similar as possible. For that, first thing you can do, go to your settings, then type font. Okay, here you go, font style. So, and then choose the font style. So here you can see there are lots of font style available. In my phone, default Samsung one, robotic, galaxy gameplay. Plus you can also download some font as well. Press downloads. Here there are some options. You can see here are some options of the font. Second thing you can do is go back, open your Play Store and search for Minecraft font for Android. So here you will see a lot of option for fonts. You can download this app to get that font, or you may download a Minecraft um, operating Minecraft launcher. So these are the ways you can get Minecraft font, not the 100% similar one, but as similar as possible you may find there. So if you wanted to get the actual one, you have to root your Android phone. Personally, which I don't support. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching the video.